Hey guys, we're here today. Beautiful Lowcountry paver, 4-piece cobble, Caligny driveway. Locatelli Hardscapes just finished up the install. Now what they're gonna be doing is adding poly sand. So we're gonna be today showing you how to install SEK Surebond Poly Sweep. Now the benefits of poly sand are enormous. You get better durability. It's gonna keep weeds and ants away from the joints. It's available in 6 different colors. So aesthetically, it looks so much better. It's really gonna give you a nice, durable, long-lasting, better-looking finished product. So let's go ahead and showcase how that's done.
So first you want to make sure the area is nice and clear of debris. Then you're going to begin spreading the poly sand throughout the area. And then you're going to run your compactor over it. Now while you compact, you're going to notice a lot of that joint sand, the poly sand is going to fall into the joint. That's exactly what you want, because at the end, after you've compacted and swept all that sand, you're going to come behind and then you're going to blow it. So you're going to take the blower, you're going to blow all the excess off. That's one of the most important parts. That's probably the most important step. And then after that, you just do a light mist. So you don't want to hose the joints down completely because it'll blow the poly sand out. But if you just do a light mist, it'll really get into the joint and it'll activate that poly sand.